Hey, good morning. Thursday. We are ready to rock and roll. Powered by Ameritech Pressure Cleaning Systems, operated by me. Sexy. All right, today we got a pool cage this morning. Then I got a driveway and 2 slabs, and then I got to go to a church called St. Francis and do a quote. And that's going to be it. Then I can go take my scrap metal to the scrap yard and call it a day, man. A nice short day to get some stuff done. All right, let's get after it. Oh, it looks like the wife's going to beat me out. What are you doing?
Getting after it.
She's getting after it. All right, Don, here we are at the first job. Moldy, look at them spiders up there. They're not going to like me at all. We have mold all along here. Gonna hit the outside first. All the screens have mold all in them, so we got to get the outside first. All this mold along here, and we also have it at the back. You can see it in the screens there. See it? All right, let's get after it. All right, we're going to be downstreaming the whole thing naturally. There's a hair on there. Anyway, it's a nice straight shot to the job, to the rig. All right, we got our little downstreamer injector soaking down there in that bucket. Stays nice and happy that way. It always keeps it nice and ready to go. If you leave it out, then it gets corroded in there, and then the ball sticks and it's just not working for you anymore. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at the brand new looking cage, huh? Look at that. See the outside? It was green. Now look at the back of the house. Look, see how that looks brand new right there? Okay, this is what you call the silent salesman. See how dirty that is all the way down? See how clean that is all the way up? All right, we're always after more work. You got to keep that in mind. Every job you do, you try to get more work. All right, that's a contractor tip. Let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look, huh? Everything is looking beautiful. All the mold is gone. Long gone. Okay? Even got up there the soffits in the house outside the screen. All this soffit and fascia is done. Went ahead and hit the back side of the house here. I'm already discussing it with the homeowner. We'll probably go ahead and get another job out of this. Then we went around back here. We did the same to the back of the house. While I was out here getting the outside of the cage done, why not hit this? Sell yourself another job, you know? Today is all about job layout, downstreaming, and selling more work. Let's get after it. I'm gonna get out to the truck. I'm gonna get me something to drink, and we'll be right back to the exciting runs. All right, let's have a final look at this puppy, huh? Look at that. They got a drainage problem. So they're gonna go ahead and fix that. They're gonna have their son. You know, a lot of people want to decorate their pool. The drain's supposed to come out right there and it's all full. So they really need to take these bushes out of here and make it so it drains. Fill that thing with rock. You don't need bushes right there. You don't even need bushes there. It's the worst thing you could do is put plants and bushes around a pool cage. All right. Anyway, that's a homeowner tip. Get after it. All right, let's get the time, huh? 9:56. Less than an hour. Beautiful. Now I got to go fill up with some SH, and then be ready to go for tomorrow's work and Sunday's commercial jobs. Got a lot of commercial work coming in here. Those bring in the biggest amounts of money, and that's always nice to have on the menu. Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and I am on some curvy country roads. Get after it. Oh, and it is a very, very peachy day. All right, here we are, job number 2. Gonna be a short day, I can tell you that. Look at this driveway, it's not even that bad. I do it every year, and it really doesn't even need it. We're gonna do it anyway because that's what they want to do. And there's a couple little slabs back here, pavers. So me and my little buddy Chapin are gonna go back here and take care of this problem. All right, we're gonna go through these bushes, then I'll come back here and rinse all this off here. See what it looks like here in a minute. But power washing all this is a mess, so I just assume just spray this with the straight stuff, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, let's get after it. All right, now look at that. I just sprayed it with some SH. See this over here? It's really bad stuff. So we'll let that soak. We're gonna go out front. We're gonna go ahead and apply some sticky icky to the driveway. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the mini Mondu out and blast it away. And then we'll go ahead and drag on down through here and rinse all that stuff off with some fresh water, and that's all we'll need to do. And then we'll be done for the day. Then we're going to take some all these brass fittings I've been saving up for 7 years, changing stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and take that to the scrap yard along with my $20,000 plastic injection mold that my invention was producing. E-Cig Rider is going to die today at the scrap yard. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing going here. As you can see, it already looks clean, so let's get after it. Let's have a look. I mean, it looks cleaner, but it was pretty clean. It did get about 2 shades lighter. So, you know what? The only thing left is the satisfying rims. Ooh. All right, let's get after that. Look at how nice that looks, huh? Oh, look at that. Nice little sprinkler. We'll be right back for a final review. All right, and it's just that easy. Looks really good. Pavers came out nice. Nice little landscape thing there for the birds. All right, let's get after it. Now, that's the U.S. Post Office for you. See that guy right there? He didn't deliver the mail there, and he didn't deliver the mail there because I'm in the way. You know, government help, not the best. All right, have a look now. That puppy's drying. Look how white that's going to be. No surface cleaner marks. That's from using SH and surfactant. Always coat the driveway first, let it sit, and then if it's a real bad driveway, you might have to treat it again. Just post treat it and then hit it with a little bug sprayer in some areas. I've been showing how that works all week. Downstream, and there's many tricks to working with just downstream. Sometimes you just got to use a little bit extra strength. So that's where that's at. Now, I went ahead and pre-mixed this tank right here so I don't have to pull chlorine through my pump over the weekend. There's a couple spots on these buildings I'm going to be doing. I'm going to need some extra strength. So that's a 6% mix in there. If it needs to be stronger, I can always pull a little bit more in. All right, let's get after it. Now we got to go do a quote, and we got to go by the recycle place and get rid of all this metal I got. All right, let's get after it. Hey, here we are. We're at the church. You know, I'm taking the truck out. I bought it for the business to do quotes. So, you know, if you're going to write it off, you got to at least use it for what you bought it for, right? Anyway, we're going to be doing this sidewalk right here, and we're going to be cleaning these walls just behind here. See that black mold on there? And it just goes all the way through here, all the way down, around the other side and out. And they have one of these on each side. So get them both done. Gave him a good church price. Good guy. Do all this stuff at his house too. All right, Steve, if you're watching, thank you, buddy. And we'll see you on October 10th at 9 o'clock. Get her done, baby. Get after it. All right, now we're going to be off to the old scrap yard. Go drop off all these old fittings that I have. I have pressure bars for the mini Mondoos, the little bars under there that spin around. I got 6 of those aluminum bars, and I got a bunch of brass fittings. Then I got that die, which weighs a ton. So, and the prices of metal are up. So let's see what's going to happen down here at the old scrap yard. All right, we'll see when we get there. All right, well, I'm here. I dropped it all off. And there she sits. We have to say goodbye. This is the man that took my money. 27 grand. See ya. Take it easy, bro. Anyway, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. At least I don't have to look at it anymore, and it's been scrapped out, and that's all you get for scrap metal nowadays. $30 for the aluminum, the brass, and the injection mold. The mold weighed 175 pounds. Crazy, huh? All right, I'm Don. That's going to conclude today. I hope everybody enjoyed the day. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Get after it.
We'll be right back.